Hello techies, welcome back to another session of Algomiz. This is the final session of dictionary data type. In this session, we will discuss dictionary methods. Here we will see clear method, copy, from keys, get, items, keys, pop item, set default, update, value methods. Without further ado, let us jump into our first dictionary method, that is clear method. We use clear method when need to remove all elements from the dictionary, such that if we need to empty a dictionary. Here we have dictionary called car, and in which we have 3 items such as brand, model, and year. Now if we want to remove all items from this dictionary, let us write down dictionary name here car, and followed by that mention clear method with parentheses. Now print out our current car dictionary, and see the output. We are getting an empty dictionary. So all item got removed. Next we have copy method. Copy method returns copy of a dictionary. Here we have our car dictionary, and if I need to copy this dictionary to another variable, then first, declare a variable. Here we declare this dict and assign copied dictionary to this variable, for which write down car and followed by that mention copy method. Now print out this dict and check the output. Here, we can see exact copy of car dictionary. Now let us see get method. The get method returns the value of the item with the specified key. Here we have car dictionary, and try getting the value of model key, for which write down car and mention get method, and inside parentheses, mention the key. Mention model inside parentheses as we need model's value. Now printing out, we will get Mustang, which is the value of model key. Now let us try to return the value of an item that do not exist. Let us take the same dictionary car and in order get value of a non-existing item, declare a variable to store the result, then write down car dictionary and mention get method. And inside parentheses let us write down price, which is not an item of car dictionary, and mention value as 1500. And now print out the result. What do you think the output would be? Here we are getting 1500, which is the value we given inside get method. So it's became an item of car dictionary. Next we have item method. If we need to return the dictionary's key value pairs, then we can use items method, for which let us take same dictionary car and now declare a variable to store result. Now write down car and followed by that mention items method and parentheses. Printing out variable x now will give us all items in the dictionary. The items method returns a view object. The view object contains the key value pairs of the dictionary, as tuples in a list. The view object will reflect any changes done to the dictionary. In order to illustrate, let us change your value, for which write car and mention square bracket and isnc square bracket, mention your key, and assign value 2019. Print out current x. Here we can see the current item and value of year key has been updated. When an item in the dictionary changes value, the view object also gets updated. Next, let us learn keys method. Keys method return the keys. Here we take the same dictionary car, and in order to list out all keys, let us declare variable x to store all keys and write down car and mention keys method. Now print out x will give us all keys in the dictionary. The keys method returns a view object. The view object contains the keys of the dictionary, as a list. The view object will reflect any changes done to the dictionary. To illustrate, let us add a new object in the dictionary. For which write down car and inside square bracket mention new object color and assign a color to this, let us assign blue. Print out x, which holds all keys, and see the output. Here the keys list updated with one more key called color. The keys method returns a view object. The view object contains the keys of the dictionary, as a list. Next we have pop method. The pop method removes the specified item from the dictionary. The value of the removed item is the return value of the pop method. Let us take same car example. Write down car and mention pop method and mention key. Here let us use model. Now print out current car dictionary and see output. Here we can see the item model has been popped out. Next, let us see pop item method. The pop item method removes the item that was last inserted into the dictionary. In versions before 3.7, the pop item method removes a random item. The removed item is the return value of the pop item method, as a tuple. To illustrate, let us use same car dictionary. Write down can and mention pop item. Now print out car. And see output. Here last item has been removed from the car dictionary. The removed item is the return value of the pop item method, for which let us declare x and store value inside this. Write car and mention pop item. This time print out x and see the output. Here we are getting item year, which is the last item in the car dictionary, and this is the removed item. The set default method returns the value of the item with the specified key. Let us take the same dictionary car. Declare a variable x, and here we are going to store result. Now write car and followed by that mention set default. Inside parentheses mention the key for which we need to get the value. Let us take model key and provide a comma and write down the specified value that we give for the item. Let it be Bronco. Now print out x. Here we are getting Mustang, which is the value of model as the key already exists. Let us see an example when key does not exist. Declare variable x in order to store value. Mention car and followed by that mention set default. Inside parentheses, let us write down color and let its value be white. Now print out x and see the output. Here we can see the output is white, which is the value of color key. It is because the color key has been updated to our current car dictionary taking value white. Next we have update method. Update method updates the dictionary with the specified key value pairs. Let us insert an item to the dictionary using update method. Write down the dictionary, it is car here, and followed by that mention update method. And inside parentheses, we need to provide new item as a dictionary. Let us give color and its value be white. Now print out current car dictionary. And we can see the color item has been updated successfully. This is how update method is useful to add new items to existing dictionary. Next we have values method. Values method return all values in the dictionary. We have already seen this method while we covered other topics. To illustrate, let us take the same dictionary. Now declare a variable to store value as we usually do. Now write down car dictionary and mention values method and provide parentheses. And print out X to see the result. Here we can see all values has been listed. This is how values method help to collect all values from a dictionary. The values method returns a view object. The view object contains the values of the dictionary, as a list. The view object will reflect any changes done to the dictionary. Let us use same car dictionary. Let us add new item to the car dictionary. Write down car and provide square bracket. Inside square bracket mention new key to be added here, its color, and assign value to it. Let it be red. Now declare a variable X to store result. And let us get all values of current dictionary by writing car dictionary and mention values method followed by that. And print out variable X to see result. Here we are getting dictionary values with updated red value, which is the value of color item. Next we have from keys method. The from keys method returns a dictionary with the specified keys and the specified value. Let us create a dictionary with 3 keys, all with the value 0. For which declare a variable X in which let us store keys as tuple and separated by commas. Let it be key 1, key 2, and key 3. Now declare another variable Y in which store 0. Now we need to create dictionary using these X and Y. First, let us declare a variable this dict, in which let us store dictionary, and now use dict keyword to create dictionary and use from key method as we need to create dictionary from keys, and inside parentheses mention X and Y separated by comma. Now print out this dict and see the output. Now let us have the same example as above, but without specifying the value. Here we have X variable with keys. We do not have Y variable here. Now print out this dict variable by passing only X. Here we got a dictionary with provided keys and values none. Here we have declared this dict. Mention dict keyword and used from keys method, and inside parentheses mentioned variable X. Here we have covered most important dictionary methods. Keep in mind that these methods are very much powerful when we deal with large amount of data. Those cases we cannot easily gather informations just by manual searching. We must take help of these methods. It will ease our programming life. So this is the end of dictionaries data type. I hope it is clear. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed our video, please do like, share and subscribe. We are so happy for your continued support. Happy programming.